how to change your username on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can change your username on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. To be able to change your username on TikTok, go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And then here, if you look at the very top, you can see two types of name. One is the display name, the other is the username. Both of the processes are basically different and both of these names are different. To edit either of these, just tap on the option called edit profile here. Once you tap on edit profile, here you'll find the option called username. So just tap on username, then make sure to just enter the new username that you'd like to change to. Now if the username is available, you'll find the check icon on the right hand side. But if the username is not available, it will not show a check icon. If you're happy with the username, tap on the save option from the very top right. But before you tap on the save option, I want you to understand one thing. Once and all you change the username for now, you will not be able to do so for the next 30 days, quote unquote, or also known as 1 month. So make sure that all of the spellings are spelled correctly. Make sure that there's no capitalization or any type of unusual punctualization that you might regret later on, because for 30 days after this, you will not be able to change the username at all. After you're happy with the changes, tap on the save button from the top right. And similarly, if you'd like to change the display name, you can just tap on your display name from the very top. And display name also has rules, that is, you can only change it up to once every 7 days or also 1 week. So just to answer your question, this is it on how you can change your username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.